Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to be looking at the keypad buttons of a smartphone. This customer came and complained that his buttons are pressing by itself without any command. They will just be pressing, or maybe with little touch or something like that. It will just be pressing by itself. So we are going to work on it. We are going to stop it from pressing by itself. So I would like you to note that the reason why this is happening is because of the keypad setting. It needs some servicing, some little working. And that reminds me, he also said that some of the keypads are not working. So if you can look closely, you will discover that some parts are not there. Some parts fine, like that one there is not there. So we're going to replace it with a new part, and the other one there we're also going to replace it with a new part, even the one on top. So that is it. So we're going to start. First of all, you are going to make sure that these keypad ways are clean, that there is no dust there or dust particles that will prevent the contact. So after having made sure that it is clean, the next step is to add those missing buttons and then put it back the way it should be. So watch out as I'm going to do that. First, I'm going to put those buttons that are not there. I'm going to replace them, those pads that are not there. So fine. You see how I did that? That is how you can do yours too. So I'm done with replacing those buttons, those parts that are not there. So the next step now is to put it. You see how I applied the gum in a way that it will not affect anything. Do not let it touch any button so that it doesn't conflict. So just make sure of that. And you see how I'm putting it carefully. so that it does not shift. The purpose why I apply that gum there is to make it stick so that it doesn't shift, so that that part doesn't shift. So this is what you should do. This is what you should do. So after now we are going to test it to see whether it is still doing like that. Now I'm going to start the phone to confirm what I just did. So this is how to service the buttons of your phone so that they do not press on their own. Thank you guys.